Hello guys, welcome to the first video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see what is Java, why do we care about learning Java, and if time permits we will also see how we can install Java in our Windows operating system. So what is Java? Java is a high-level programming language which was developed by Sun Microsystem in early 90s. So as any other high-level programming language like C Sharp or C++, Java is also a high-level language, but it's a little bit different from other languages in a sense that it's a cross-platform programming language which you can develop and run on multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS or any other operating system, and it runs its program using a special virtual machine called Java virtual machine, which is this one. So this Java machine is responsible for running Java programs, and whenever you install Java on your operating system like Windows or Linux, you also install this Java virtual machine. And this Java virtual machine is same for every operating system. So your program runs on this Java virtual machine and not on the native Windows or Linux operating system. So this Java virtual machine is same for every operating system. That's why it runs on every operating system which Java supports, right? So if you compile a Java program on Windows, you can run it on Linux or Mac OS using this Java virtual machine. That's why before developing Java, we need to install Java, JDK, and JRE on our operating system. Okay, and Java is a object-oriented programming language. So we will see what object-oriented programming is and what are the features of object-oriented programming. But yeah, it's object-oriented programming, and I will teach you more about the programming, we will see what is this. So now, first of all, we need to install Java on our system, and it may be possible that Java is already installed on your system, or it may be possible that you have never installed Java on your system. So how to check whether Java is installed on your system? It's easy. So you just need to, if you are on Windows 8, you just need to right click your start menu button and open command prompt from here. And in here, you just need to give this command Java C. Okay, so give this command Java C and press enter. And if this command responds that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then Java is most probably not installed in your system and you need to install Java on your system. Okay, so like my operating system, I don't have Java, so I will install it. So I'll just open your browser and just search for Java JDK or simply Java also works. And in here, the first site will open hopefully from oracle.com. Just click this link, and in here you will be able to see two options. One is Java JDK, other is Netbeans with JDK. So Java is the platform, and Netbeans is a IDE, and you have the option to install Java with this development IDE, but I will not choose this option, but I will choose this option for now. And at the time of making this video, Java 8 is the latest version, because yeah, it's the latest version, right? And when you click this Java button here, so once again Java button, I clicked. In here you need to accept this license and condition in order to download this Java. So just click the small radio button which calls accept license agreement, and then choose your operating system. So my operating system is Windows 64. If you have Windows 32-bit operating system, you need to choose x86. But right now I have x64 operating system, which is 64-bit operating system. That you can check if you are on Windows 8. You just need to go to systems. So search for systems, not like this, but systems, system, and in here I can see that my system type is 64-bit operating system. So if it's 32-bit operating system, you need to download 32-bit executable file. So mine is 64-bit, so I will just click the 64-bit link and I will save this. So it will take some time to download this Java executable. So once this will be downloaded, we will be ready to execute this executable and install Java. So my download is complete now, so I will run this executable file and I will minimize all the other things. And this installation is really straightforward, so you just need to click next and it will check the status and all, and then it will start installing Java on your system, and it's really straightforward, so you don't need to worry about anything while you are installing Java. And while installing, it will ask you the destination folder wherever you want to install Java on your system and JRE on your system. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So these are the two things which will be installed by this installer. So I will generally leave them as default, and I will click next and then wait for the installation to complete. So now Java is successfully installed in our system. You will be able to see this message, and then I will close this. And once you install Java, you can check it while going to the C folder of your computer and then go to program files, and in here you will be able to see this Java folder. And in here you will be able to see two folders. One is JDK folder and the other is JRE folder. Okay, so JDK I already told you is Java Development Kit, and JRE is Java Runtime Environment, right? So I will change the name of these JDK and JRE to make them short and really easy to understand. So I will rename my JDK folder as JDK 8. Okay, so it's just JDK 8, and I will rename my JRE folder as JRE 8 because the version of this Java is Java 8. Okay, and here I can just make them view as large icon so you can see, or extra large, so you can see that I have named this as JDK 8 and JRE 8 folders, right? So once you have done that, you need to set your environment variable so that whenever you run your Java program, it will recognize these JDK and JRE, and then you will be able to compile your programs, right? So for that, for setting your environment variable, what you need to do is you just need to go to your systems. So go to search and search for system once again. If you are on Windows 7 or Windows XP, you also need to search for system in control panel, and then go to advanced settings, and in here go to environment variables. Okay, and in environment variable, in system variable, here you will be able to find a variable called path. You just need to click or double click this path or add it, or click this added button, and in here you will be able to see variable name is equal to path, and the variable values, there will be already some values in here, and you need to add some more value here, which is the JDK. So go to once again program file and Java folder wherever you have installed it, and then go to JDK8, which is the folder we renamed, and in here inside this JDK8 go to bin folder, and this destination, which is C program file java slash JDK8 slash bin, you just need to copy this path from here, and then in your variable value just give a semicolon and paste your path, which is the same path you have copied from here, right? Once again go to your Java folder once again, and then this time go to JRE, okay, and in here also you will be able to find a binary folder or bin folder, and then copy the path from here, and then give semicolon to your variable value, whatever value is present already here, and paste this path also, okay. So you need to give this C program file slash java slash JRE8 slash bin folder, and C program file slash java slash JDK8 slash bin folder path here in environment variable. And why do we set environment variable is whenever you compile a program, if you set environment variable, your compiler knows the path of these binary files which are responsible for compiling your program, and it will be straightforward to compile your program. Now once you have done set your environment variable, we will open once again command prompt and check whether Java is really installed in our system or not. So once again give Java C and press enter, and this time I can see a big response in response to my Java C command, and I can see that it's saying that the uses of this Java C is you need to give some options and source file. So Java C is a command to compile a program or Java program. So whenever you give a Java C dash some hello world.java file, it will compile your Java program, and then you can run your Java program, right? That's why we use this Java C command. So in this way you can install Java on your system. Now in the next video I'm going to show you how you can install an IDE which is called Eclipse IDE, which is widely used to develop Java programs. So stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.